Ludington, help us start the show on a Fairgrounds 5 count. Let's do it on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Red flag, red flag, red flag, red flag. Red on the track, red on the track. Nice job, drivers, nice job. Just a reminder to all of our drivers, you gotta listen with your eyeballs. Keep your eyes on the flagmen as you're racing. Take a look at them every now and then. You get in the zone, you get tunnel vision, just stay safe and look at your flagmen. Jovan still running both cars. Red flag, red flag, red flag, red flag. Red on the track, red on the track.
Hell yeah! Fuck yeah! Yeah, man! Fuck yeah! Yeah! Hell yeah!
Yeah, you know what's happening. Hey, make some noise. This guy receiving a mad dog. He's out there making it happen, putting on the moves. He's headed to the feature.
Yeah! Fuck yeah!
Nice job putting in the work. Not that everyone out there ain't working, but nice job putting on the show.
Hell yeah!
Here goes number 55, Jason Rayum from Hollywood Performance, headed into the feature. We got that two-man super stock feature coming up later on tonight. After a full day of full contact racing and demolition derby action, green flag brings us back. We have about half a dozen cars still moving, about half a dozen all buried in the east side. With about half a dozen still rolling, we got one on account on the far left side. You have a certain amount of time before you have to make contact or you're counted out. Number 24, Brady Zimmer in pursuit, looking to line up a shot. There he is coming across center field. He'll find the 54 car. Now it's 54 getting out of a rock in a hard spot. Number 84 now in reverse looking to make contact. Still have the 00.5 car moving. Looks like we're down to our final 4 drivers. There goes Zimmer, big shot over on the right side. Team BJ Racing. Now he finds the 84 car. Wow, Mango Mayhem over on the right, up and off the wall. And that's going to do it for number 54. Going to have to stick out. 54 sticking down. Number 84 just going cray-cray out here today. I think he got the Mad Dog Award from Derby Nation yesterday. Puts him out on the track today, and no wonder. He's got some tough competition. Brady Zimmer in the 24, the pink and black, doing a good job today. The 00.5 also rocking the track. That's Matt Songalusti from RS Recycling. That's going to do it right there. Logan Sorensen headed out with the checkered flag. For our winners,